we hope that this video has inspired you to eat healthy and take care of your body. Remember, age is just a number, and it's never too late to start taking care of yourself. Please subscribe to the channel for more. Berries. All berries are great sources of fiber, a nutrient that most Americans don't get enough of. Fiber helps keep your digestive system healthy and working properly, keeps you feeling full, and it's good for your heart. All berries are good for you, so be sure to mix it up. In the winter, when berries aren't in season, grab frozen berries without sweeteners and use them in smoothies, oatmeal, or even thawed in yogurt. Raspberries, one of the best breakfast foods for weight loss, boast the most fiber at 8 grams per cup and also contain ellagic acid, a compound with anti-cancer properties. The same amount of blueberries has half the fiber, 4 grams, but is packed with anthocyanins, antioxidants that may help keep memory sharp as you age. A cup of strawberries contains 3 grams of fiber, but more than a full day's recommended dose of skin-firming vitamin C. Spinach is rich in many nutrients, including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, folate, and potassium. People who take blood thinners have irritable bowel syndrome and kidney problems should limit the intake of spinach. Kale is a nutrition superstar due to the amounts of vitamins of B6, C, folic, fiber, carotenoids, and manganese it contains. People who may need to avoid or limit kale intake are those who form oxalate containing kidney stones or take the blood thinners Coumadin or warfarin. These leafy greens are all rich in vitamins and minerals, making them great for the immune system. They are also low in calories and high in fiber, which makes them great for weight loss. Natto. Natto is a traditional Japanese dish consisting of fermented soybeans and characterized by a slimy, sticky, and stringy texture. It has many nutritional benefits and is extremely popular in Japan. The smell may be surprising to newcomers, but natto is packed with nutrition. Just eating a 100-gram portion, you can enjoy 67 of the daily value of manganese, 48 of iron, 27 of magnesium and zinc, and also moderate levels of vitamin K, calcium, potassium, and selenium, among others. Natto contains more probiotics than non-fermented soybeans. This reduces unpleasant digestive symptoms and helps your body absorb nutrients more easily. You may think natto is hard to obtain, but in fact, it is easy to make at home. All you need are soybeans and fermented soybean powder to start the fermenting process. Can be easily made in a yogurt maker, but those who prefer not to do it from scratch, you can also buy them easily in a Japanese food store nearby. Tofu is a great source of plant-based protein and contains all 9 essential amino acids. It is also high in calcium, iron, and other important nutrients. Boiled spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, and iron. Korean kimchi is another fermented food in her meal that is rich in probiotics, which help to support good health and digestion. The spice goes very well with fish for dinner. Takashima enjoys navo. Again, natto is another fermented food that is high in protein and contains a unique enzyme called nattokinase. This enzyme may thin the blood and help break up blood clots. This might protect against heart disease and conditions caused by blood clots such as stroke, heart attack, and others. The lettuce tomato salad with chicken provides a fresh and crunchy addition to the meal, while also supplying fiber and essential vitamins and minerals. Fruit is bananas, and she eats them regularly. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure and keeps the heart healthy. Potassium is a critical element in several bodily functions, such as the movement of muscles, regulating the water levels in the body, and preventing cramps. They are also rich in fiber, which keeps the digestive system healthy. No wonder we see athletes all go bananas over bananas. What's also great about bananas is that it helps to get a good night's sleep. Bananas are an excellent source of magnesium and potassium, which help relax over stressed muscles because They also contain tryptophan, which converts to serotonin, and melatonin, the brain's key calming hormones. They have a relaxing effect on the body in general. To get the best health benefits, eat fresh fruit and vegetables as soon as possible rather than storing for a long time, or use frozen instead. Don't overcook. Start with boiling water and cover tightly to keep in the steam, because this speeds up the cooking. Use a steamer or a microwave. Use as little water as possible when you cook fruit or vegetables, or use the cooking water for sauce or soup to recapture some of the lost vitamins and minerals. Avoid leaving any vegetables open to the air. Light or heat, if they have been cut, always cover and chill them.